Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today on our 06 Element with our 2.4 liter, I'm going to show you where the air filter is and how to remove it. First thing you're going to need to do is get a Phillips or an 8mm socket. I'm using the 8mm socket, and there's 4 mounting screws. We're going to turn those counterclockwise. They don't come all the way out. They have like a notch on them, so they'll stay in the top lid. That's good. That way we don't lose them. And by we, I mean me. I'm good at that. And then there's one on the bottom. And this is a round filter. It's like a canister style. I'm going to remove the, let's see if we can just get it out first. So I'm going to take these hoses off, make it easier for me to bend it, flex it up. And there it is. This is a new air filter, that's why I didn't get one to put in there. Just recently been replaced. It's nice and clean. There is no top or bottom to this filter. Just place it in the way you, as long as the cone goes right into the seat, pushes it right down in there. Put the lid back on. Line those bolt holes up. Now if the vent cap came off like this, it's just a little vent filter. You just line up the top hole and the bottom hole, push it right in. That goes right into the air hose. I'll push these back down. Glad that hose came off, because that's another thing. Whenever you take an air box off that has vacuum hoses to it, you always want to double check after you put it together that none of the hoses are still off. I've seen them cause engine lights to come on because a car would have a mass airflow sensor in it, and they'd go to a certain oil place and they would check their air filter or replace it, and the vacuum hoses would be left off. And of course, the car would run like not good. And I would be the lucky person they would come to. And I'd be a quick fix. I would show them and then send them on their way. There you go. And that is your air filter.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.